Hey guys, Henry here from ProductCreationFormula. In this video, we're going to be talking about 5 free tools that you need for your product creation process. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at ProductCreationFormula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Alright, now here we are at Mailerlite, and Mailerlite is essentially a free, if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, it's essentially a free autoresponder. Now, Mailerlite is awesome, and it's been around for only a little while now. It's a new kid on the block, but it's getting recognized now, and more people are beginning to use it. Now, as you go down, you can see a few of the features just here, but just to save us a bit of time, let's go click on the features just here. Okay, so what does it have? It's got drag and drop editors, rich text editors, custom HTML editors, newsletter templates, e-commerce campaigns. You can grow your audience with a website builder, landing pages, pop-ups, embed forms, subscriber management, email automation, interest groups, tagged, personalization, segmentation, promotion pop-ups, and a lot more. A/B testing. There's a whole bunch of these things it's got. Now let's have a quick look at the pricing. Now, as you can see, for between 1 and 1,000 subscribers, you can send out 12,000 emails a month. And if you have, like 100 subscribers, that's plenty to start off with for free. And if you have a couple hundred, if you had, say, have for example 500 subscribers, you might want to start thinking about getting into this one here, which is unlimited, because 500 subscribers will only allow you to send out 24 emails a month. But if you were to have, say, 500 subscribers, then you could go $10 a month, and then you could send it out every single day if you wish to. Now, obviously, free is good when you're starting out, and as much free stuff as you can have when you're starting out is going to save you a bucket load of money. Now, of course, once you start making money online, you can then start upgrading to the paid version of it. And this way, you're actually getting benefit out of it, and it'll help you to be able to make more and more money. Okay, so from this particular point, let's go look at site number 2. Now, site number 2 is perhaps my favorite of all sites. Now, it's called Gimp. It's called GNU Image Manipulation Program, and it's been around for quite a long time, as you can see, celebrating 25 years. And when it first started out, it was comparable to Photoshop. In fact, it's very similar to Photoshop in the old version. And I use this all the time. To be quite honest, this is one of my favorite programs. It's completely free. I've never had to pay a cent for this. And I've had it for quite a few years. And the reason it's free is because it's open source. And yeah, let me show you how to quickly use it. Let me go here. Now, over here, this is an image I've got. This is my logo. So what I'm going to do is first of all, I'm going to change the color of my background just to make it look a bit different. We go there. I'm going to hit OK. Now, the reason I've done that is I don't want my white on white. Now, let me show you what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be putting an outline around this image just here. So the first thing we want to do right now is go over here, go at Alpha 2 selection. Now, the next thing we want to do is go over here to select. Now, what I want to do is I want to hit grow. Now, 9 is too big, so I might just shrink that down to about probably 7. We'll see how that goes. That's still a bit too big, so let me undo that. We go back to select. I might make that 5. And hit OK. That's better. Much nicer. Now, All we now need to do here is go back over to this layer, and we're now going to duplicate that layer. And I'm going to now click on the bottom layer, because the bottom layer is essentially the background layer. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to Edit. I'm going to scroll down to where it says Fill with Background Color. Then I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, it has put a lovely purple background or outline around the image. And there we have it, completely covered. And I can put that on my website, I can put that anywhere I like, and that highlights the outline quite nicely. It just gives it a little bit of extra oomph and helps you to stand out. Now I could make that any color I want. Now if I was to, say for example, grab hold of this image and take it down to here. Okay, you see how I've done that? By moving that, you can see what's happened here. By moving that, you can see the background image. And as you can see over here, that's the background image. It has completely been covered. And the foreground image, which is the one I'm currently grabbing hold of, is just there like that. So if I was to want to move this, I could move it down to, say, here. Get rid of that, and I would have to now grab the top image, drag that down and put it behind it, and make that a outline like that. And this way, you know, I could, if I wanted to just show this part without all of the words, I can do that as well. Let me undo that. Undo everything I've just done here. There we are. Now it's all back to the way it was. And that is how you use GIMP. Well, part of how I use GIMP. I use GIMP lots of different ways. I've often used GIMP to remove backgrounds. I've used GIMP for a lot of different ways. And I love this program. It's super easy to use. And like everything, there's always a learning curve. I mean, if you've never used this kind of program before, then yeah, there will be a learning curve for you to use. But there's plenty of tutorials on GIMP, and it doesn't take long to learn. Alright, so let's go have a look at site number 3. Now site number 3 is called 𝗕𝗍𝗬, video capture and screen recording software. Now I wanted to check it out and see what it was like, and let me just shrink the screen down for 1 second and I'll quickly bring it up. Now as you can see, this is now recording this screen here. If I was to record this screen, this here would disappear, and if I wanted to, I can also include my webcam in this, which is just here. But I can, well, it's not doing it because I'm currently recording in another program with my webcam, so I can't do 2 at a time. But I can record my webcam, I can record my audio. There's lots of different options here, so I've got my audio options, I've got a whole bunch of different things I can do with this. And to be perfectly honest, it's a really good little piece of software. I tried it out this morning, and right now I'm going to give you a quick little example of what it was like. Okay, now right now I'm currently using a screen recorder called 𝗕𝗍𝗬. Now this is from NCH software. It's 𝗕𝗍𝗬 video capture and screen recording software. And as you can see, I'm in a different outfit because I recorded this not long after I got up this morning. I haven't even done my hair yet. This is essentially it. It's pretty good. I'm going to just see if I can bring that recording software up if I can, so you can have a look at it. I'm currently recording. I'm recording my own image just here, and I'm using my phone for my webcam, as I often do. This is it here. Now, I'll be able to see once I finish doing this what sort of quality it's got. Okay, so that was what it was like. Just a very brief little overview of what it was like. I actually quite like this one. I mean, I won't replace my Camtasia with it. I don't think it's quite the same quality as Camtasia is, but it's still really good. And to be perfectly honest, it is something that if you're at a pinch and you don't have any money, this is going to do the job. And it will not only do the job, it will do it well. It will have most of what you want. And the best part about that is it's going to help you to move forward in your product creation process. It'll help you to create the videos you need to be able to create, help you to be able to create what it is you need to be able to create so as you can start making money online. Okay, so let's go have a look at the next site. Now the next site we're looking at is called VideoPad. Now what is VideoPad? It is a video editor. It's also free. Now I was playing around with it this morning. Let me have a quick look here. And this was the image and the video that I played around with earlier. And I had a bit of a muck around with it, and this is what I was mucking around with. Now I was able to put an extra overlay in here. I wasn't sure if I was able to do that, but then I found I could do that. Oh, there we are. That's how you can either expand it or contract it. So let's expand it up to cover up the entire screen. One more click. There we go. And there you have it. That's how you do it. Okay, figured it out. Took me a moment. And then you can make that cover the screen, and you can have it do its thing, and yeah, it's all good. So it doesn't have quite, yeah, it's got quite a lot of bells and whistles in this. And okay, it doesn't have one particular feature I absolutely need as a product creator, and that is the blur feature. This does have a full screen blur feature, but it doesn't allow me to shrink down the blur area. It doesn't allow me to have the blur area just come up for a short space. So I can't just cover like that area just there. But it does allow me to do an awful lot of other things. And so yeah, this is a really good alternative as a free software goes. So this is called VideoPad from NCH Software. Now it's free. So of course, if you decide to, you can upgrade on certain things if you wish to. And if you do decide to upgrade, just be aware that I don't have an affiliate program with this, so I don't make any money on this. This is just to help you guys out, okay? So none of these have got anything, everything I'm showing you today, none of them have an affiliate program attached to them. Well, for me anyway. I'm not an affiliate for any of these sites. So if you decide to upgrade or purchase anything from these sites, yeah, I'm not going to get anything from it, so that's okay, because I'm here to help you guys. Alright, let's move on to the last site. Now the last site I'm going to be showing you is in fact a hosting company. A hosting company for your website. Now it's called Googie Host, and it's really good actually. I've only just discovered this today. I haven't used it or anything like that, but from what I can see, it's got everything you're going to be needing for free hosting. It's got free subdomains, website users. You can have one website user, 1000 megabytes, which is 1 gigabyte. Not a huge amount, but hey, when you're just starting out, you don't need all that much. 100 gigabytes bandwidth, which is not bad. Not huge, but not bad. Then you got your email business. You got 2 emails you can use. SSL, cloud, cPanel. It's got a free cPanel, Linux, website builder, and no ads. Which the best part about that is it's not going to inundate your videos or your website with ads. It's got a lot of different things. You can also use Softalicious if you want to. And Softalicious is things like WordPress sites and things like that. As well as it's got 24-hour support. You've got free subdomains. It's got a free web hosting, free site builder, as well as cPanels. And really, it's got everything you're going to need when you're first starting out. It's all free, which is even better. So that is it for this particular video. Guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Guys, thanks for watching. Hey, while you're at it, why not share? And also leave a comment down below if you know of any other free tools that maybe my subscribers might be interested in looking at. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.